Introducing the ErgoFeed Max, an innovative Infeed system. One of the main challenges in Moulder Infeed design is the side pressure applied to planks as they enter the molder. This pressure increases the risk of jamming, leading to frequent stoppages and idle time. Simply stopping the cross-and-feed chain doesn't fully solve the problem, as it creates delays from restarting the chain each cycle. Increasing pressure or motor power for longitudinal movement can also damage the wood due to skidding on toothed rollers. Another issue, especially with high-speed Infeeds, is the impact on the molder's gearbox. Over time, repeated hits from powerful motors and rollers cause wear and tear, driving up maintenance costs. ErgoFeed Max tackles these challenges with innovative solutions. Planks are transported to an adjustable Infeed fence, where a photofocell ensures precise alignment. The chain lowers, placing the planks onto powered rollers, while the remaining planks rest on toothed bars. To pneumatically actuated bars move back, creating a gap for the plank, eliminating lateral pressure for smooth, side pressure-free movement. Once the plank reaches the acceleration zone, the cross-chain conveyor lifts to collect the next one. The bottom cross-chain conveyor's up and down motion, powered by a swing-type eccentric mechanism, operates swiftly. High-speed, short-stroke pneumatic cylinders on motorized, height-adjustable roller supports enhance both speed and flexibility, easily adjusting to material heights, ranging from 10 to 150 millimeters. The longitudinal conveyor is synced with the molder speed and can be adjusted by the supervisor. ErgoFeed Max, automatic two-pressure system. ErgoFeed Max features two pressure settings for the top cylinders, high and low, automatically adjusted by intelligent controls. High pressure provides momentum when the plank starts moving, then switches to low pressure once the plank reaches speed. This reduces impact and minimizes wear on the molder's gearbox, lowering maintenance costs. Another great feature of the innovative dual pressure system is its anti-jamming capability. If the system detects slowing, it increases pressure to prevent jamming. If the issue persists, the Infeed stops automatically for a trouble-free operation. With floating powered bottom rollers and adjustable pneumatic pressure, the system maintains constant contact with planks, ensuring stability even with bent materials. The ErgoFeed Max, the perfect solution for large cross-section timber Infeed. Designed with bottom-active rollers, it easily handles even the heaviest beams. In fact, the extra weight enhances roller contact, making the feeding process smoother and more efficient. So when it comes to heavy-duty Infeed applications, the ErgoFeed Max is built to perform. ErgoFeed Max, online statistics system. ErgoFeed isn't just an Infeed system. It provides valuable production data through a cloud-based web application. The system tracks linear meters, daily production totals, and shows real-time data on production speed and idle times. All of this information is easily accessible through user accounts on the cloud platform. ErgoFeed Max, less jamming and reduced downtime. Less strain on the molder gear system. Perfect for high-speed applications and for handling heavy beams. The added bonus of real-time online production statistics. ErgoTalk, woodworking and beyond.